Up till now, we have done that how parathyroid hormone and vitamin D helps to regulate the calcium level by increasing the calcium absorption from the intestine, by decreasing the excretion of calcium from the kidneys, and how they increases the bone resorption in order to maintain the blood calcium levels. Another very important hormone now we are going to study is calcitonin. Calcitonin is being triggered. Actually, increased extracellular calcium concentration stimulate the calcitonin secretion, which lowers the blood calcium level. So, calcitonin acts opposite to the parathyroid and vitamin D. Calcitonin is a polypeptide with 32 amino acids secreted from the thyroid gland. Basically, in the thyroid gland, the major cells are the follicular cells, which we have discussed in our previous lecture. Besides them, there is a parafollicular cells, which is also known as C cells, which secretes the calcitonin. Now we are zooming the parafollicular cells. We'll see that how they are synthesized. In a rough endoplasmic reticulum, the pre-procalcitonin is converted into the procalcitonin by the enzyme called proteolytic enzyme. And from procalcitonin, it will be converted into the calcitonin, which is a 32 amino acid protein. If there is an increased calcium level, calcium will bind to the receptor on the C cell, and C cell releases the calcitonin in order to lower the calcium level in the blood. What are the actions of calcitonin? The major action is upon the bones. We'll focus on the bone. In a bone, there is a cell called osteoclast. The calcitonin binds to its receptor and causes the G protein to convert the ATP into a cyclic AMP, which will further causes the decreased resorption and decreased blood calcium level. So calcitonin decreases the osteoclastic activity by binding on the receptor on osteoclast. Another function is a minor action on kidney tubules. In a kidney nephron, calcitonin mainly acts upon the DCT, which is a distal convoluted tubule. In DCT cells, calcitonin will bind to the receptor and closes the sodium-calcium channels and decreases the calcium and phosphate reabsorption. This will call calciuria and phosphaturia. So calcitonin basically causes the increased extracellular calcium to decrease and to lower the blood calcium levels.